guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be opening up this box that Sally Turner gave me.
It's Christmas time, so it's gift time. And Sally Turner sent the kiddo a special gift. So we have a special episode of Kiddo Got Box. Not Dad Got Box, Kiddo Got Box. Let's see what you got, kiddo. Okay. I'm gonna pop out and she's gonna handle this.
I need help opening it. Okay. First up, we have Doorables. And then we got a whole bunch of these Tsum Tsums. Oh, another Doorable. And then mini brands. What should we start with? The mini brands. So I'm gonna... Oh yeah, I have scissors. Oh, it's like this little package. Oh, I have, who is this?
That is C-3PO.
So while my dad's doing that, we also have Princess Leia. Princess Leia right there. Okay, now while he's doing that, let's open up the other one. Ooh, so we have Minnie Mouse. And we also have a lunchbox container. I don't know if this opens. I don't think it does. Yes, we have a lunchbox container. Now let's open up the last one and see what we got from this one. Oh, it's a Toy Story. So we have Bullseye. And then we have Bo Peep. We have Bo Peep right here. Now that we're all done with the mini brands, let's start on these Tsum Tsums. Ooh, I got Stitch. Now,
oh, he's so cute.
We're going to do the next. Oh, we got a Mickey Mouse.
Oh boy.
And then let's see what our last one is. Oh, we got Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, I love Winnie the Pooh.
So cute. Now that we're done with this, it's time for our Doorables. She got me a lot of these. How do you open this?
Give me a couple. I'll open them, I'll get them started for you, then you can go through them.
Okay. Oh, we got two.
Oh, there's two in a pack?
Yeah.
Need your scissors? All right, you got it.
Nope, I got it. So let's see, we also have a collector's guide. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got Prince Naveen from the Princess and the Frog set.
Oh, let me see him.
Okay, now we're gonna open up the other one.
Oh, he's cute. Oh my gosh, I know who that is.
Yep, I got Tigger.
No.
Wait, no. Oh,
that's
yeah.
not Tigger.
I got Shirkan from the Jungle Book.
Ah.
So now I'm gonna start opening. Ooh. I got Fifi from Beauty and the Beast. I guess that's what what's her name is.
Oh, yes, that is Fifi.
Fifi. Now I'm gonna open up the other one. Okay, I got Moagi or whatever. Mowgli from the Jungle Book.
It's Mowgli. It's Mowgli.
Mowgli. Yeah, it's Mowgli.
Oh, he doesn't go flying. Low flying.
Ooh, I know who this is. I got Elastigirl from The Incredibles.
Nice.
Everything's flying everywhere. Ever. Can't fly. I know who I got. I got Russell from Up.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Dad, I want to get one of these.
Oh my gosh, he's adorable.
I want to get one of the color reveal ones.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I got Frog Tiana.
Oh, Frog Tiana.
Frog Tiana. Now let's get out the
Ribbit.
Oh, I got Carl from Up.
You got Carl, too? You can't have a Russell without a Carl.
Yeah, you can't have a Russell without a Carl.
Oh my gosh, look at the glasses. Oh my gosh. I love it.
Yeah, me too.
It's Kevin.
I got Kevin. I'm getting like the crew.
Oh my gosh.
Literally. I got like almost all the Up characters except for Doug and Alpha. Oh, I got a double.
Twinsies.
I got a twin. I got Elastigirl again. Ooh. I got Fear. I got Fear.
Oh, from Inside Out.
Yeah, Inside Out.
Oh, wait. These are adorable. Get it? Adorable.
Yes! 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 But he's not on here.
He's not even on the sheet?
No! No way!
Let me see.
I got a color changing Hawken.
Just add water.
Okay, we gotta show him this.
Is that a Hank?
No.
Hank is he looks like the octopus, right? Let me see.
Let me see.
His name's Hank, Ellie.
Yeah, his name's Hank.
You got a color changing Hank.
Guys, we have to show them.
We're gonna have to do it.
We have to do it. Okay, guys, maybe this video isn't totally done yet.
Okay, hold on, so this is what she is talking about. There's a special color changer version.
Yes. So we aren't really done with the video yet. So let's see what happens.
Oh, it is.
Oh, it's like paint.
Look at that.
It's like paint. It's like paint or something.
What is going on in there? Just go for it. Just put your hands in there. I'll get you paper towels.
Oh, it's color changing, guys. It's
Who did you get? What did you get? What color? You got orange.
No, it's red. Wait, what? There's two colors. Okay, guys, so
How did you like it?
that was awesome.
Yeah? Who do you have to thank for this?
Thanks, Sally Turner.
Don't know what's left to do.
I do.
What?
Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it.
Does Kiddo do outros?
I do outros.
You do an outro? I don't do an outro. What's your outro?
Nothing. I don't have. Kiddo doesn't do outro,
She doesn't do outros either.
so that's it. Hope
Bye.
you guys liked the video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.